Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Today I'm going to cook um, tortellini. This is our main ingredients. Tortellini. This is already boiled. Tortellini. Inside of this pasta is a minced meat, already boiled. And this is our pan. I'm going to add a, a butter. Konti lang. This we will just add a little bit. We will heat the butter because it's already frozen na siya guys, so it's frozen. This is our garlic, onions, red pepper or paprika. This is a sliced chicken breast and a sliced sausages, chicken sausages. Now we will add this garlic, onions, then we will add this sliced chicken breast and this sliced sausages. We will just soak the garlic, onions, chicken breast. This is a grilled chicken breast and the sausages, okay? We will add paprika powder, guys. We will add this garlic powder. I have here seasoning. This is a Filipino seasoning. It is called Maggi Sarap. Okay, Maggi Sarap. This is all-in-one seasoning. So we are going to add this Maggi Sarap. What guys? 1 tablespoon. We will add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. will add this red paprika slice. Now we are going to add this tortellini. This is our recipe for today, tortellini with sausage and chicken. And I have here UHT milk. I'm going to add this one. Instead of cream, I'm going to add milk. So this is with milk, okay? Okay guys, with milk. We'll add more. So this is optional. You can use a white cream sauce or milk. So when the milk is already boiling, then this is ready to be served. So let's wait for the milk to boil, and this will be ready to be served, guys. Look at the milk is not boiling yet. So when it is boiling, that means this is ready to be served. So guys, I hope you like this recipe, tortellini with sliced sausages and grilled chicken breast. Sliced grilled chicken breast with milk, with paprika, and with seasonings. This is a very easy to prepare tortellini for your lunch or for dinner. So thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bon appetit! Look, it's already hot. So this is the favorite for the European people, especially for the Germans. So they just bought some tortellini, and it is easy to prepare. Just boil the tortellini and saute the garlic onions and some slice of chicken or sausages. Then add the boiled tortellini. You can add white cream sauce, or you can add a fresh milk. Okay, that is only optional, but if you don't have cream sauce or you don't have milk, it is just okay without this two, without cream or without milk. Just soak the garlic onions, add your sliced chicken or meat, and add some seasoning for your taste. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next vlog of medicine. Ciao. So guys, this is ready to be served now. Look at this. Oh, the milk is already absorbed and it was boiled already. Sarap na siya. Thank you for watching and supporting Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bye for now. Thank you for watching this premiere. God bless everyone. Stay connected. Ciao.